Mr. Gabri, what does your government say is the explanation for 4,000 of your citizens fleeing every month?
I was watching the video clip that he just showed.
You can come to that in a moment. I've just asked you, why are so many of your people fleeing your country?
It's not true.
See, the thing is, in your country, you don't report these things anyway. There's no mention anywhere in the Eritrean media.
It's not true. In the first place, the issue of migration is a very important issue for us. And therefore, it's a question that we debate on a continuous basis.
You may debate it. You don't speak about it in the press.
We speak about it in the press.
You do not.
Well,
find me any reference in your press that this is ever talked about.
I will, and I can even send you clippings from our press where we discuss these issues.
Now, for years, military service has been supposed to be 18 months, has gone on and on and on, and for many people it's 10 years, 15 years, in some cases, without end.
Again, that's not true.
And that is one of the reasons why people are fleeing your country.
Again, that's not true.
We need to know, has it now definitely stopped the indefinite usage of people in national service?
There has never been indefinite usage of people in national service.
The UN says completely contrary.